200 Common English Sentences Challenge. English Avenue 2.0. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Avenue 2.0. Today, we are starting a powerful English speaking challenge. If you stay with me until the end of this video and practice these sentences every day, your English can improve much faster. Remember, English is not difficult. You don't need perfect grammar to start speaking. You only need daily practice. Let's begin. Mini Lesson 1. Many students make one mistake. They keep studying English, but never speak it. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Say this with me. I can learn English. I can speak English. The first will improve every day. Great. Now let's learn some sentences. Letter A. Word A. Pronunciation. Examples. 1. I have a book. 2. She is a teacher. 3. He bought a car. 4. I need a pen. 5. This is a problem. 6. I saw a bird. 7. He wants a job. 8. We need a plan. 9. She has a question. 10. That's a good idea. Vocabulary focus. Word always. Meaning every time. Examples. I always wake up early. I always tell the truth. I always practice English. 20 common sentences. 1. How are you? 2. I'm fine. 3. Thank you. 4. You're welcome. 5. Good morning. 6. Good afternoon. 7. Good evening. 8. Good night. 9. See you later. 10. Have a nice day. 11. What's your name? 12. My name is John. 13. Nice to meet you. 14. Where are you from? 15. I'm from America. 16. How old are you? 17. I'm 20 years old. 18. What do you do? 19. I'm a student. 20. I'm learning English. Mini Lesson 2. Listen carefully. English is learned through repetition. Read every sentence at least 3 times. When you repeat sentences daily, your brain starts remembering them naturally. That is how children learn languages. You can do it too. Letter B. Word B. Pronunciation B. Examples. 1. Be careful. 2. Be honest. 3. Be confident. 4. Be patient. 5. Be positive. 6. Be strong. 7. Be kind. 8. Be happy. 9. Be ready. 10. Be yourself. Vocabulary focus. Word beautiful. Examples. It's a beautiful day. She has a beautiful smile. This place is beautiful. Sentences 21 to 40. 21. I understand. 22. I don't understand. 23. Please speak slowly. 24. Can you repeat that? 25. What does this mean? 26. I agree. 27. I disagree. 28. That's right. 29. That's wrong. 30. No problem. 31. I like it. 32. I don't like it. 33. That's interesting. 34. That's amazing. 35. That's great. 36. I'm busy. 37. I'm free. 38. I'm tired. 39. I'm excited. 40. I'm ready. Motivation break. Many people think, my English is weak. But remember, your English is not weak. Your practice is weak. Start practicing daily. Even 10 minutes every day can change your life. Letter C. Word can. Pronunciation can. Examples. 1. I can help. 2. I can do it. 3. I can drive. 4. I can learn. 5. I can speak. 6. I can read. 7. I can write. 8. I can cook. 9. I can understand. 10. I can improve. Vocabulary focus. Word challenge. Examples. This is a challenge. I love challenges. Let's start the challenge. Sentences 40 to 60. 41. I can help you. 42. Can you help me? 43. What happened? 44. What's going on? 45. Are you okay? 46. I'm okay. 47. Don't worry. 48. Take care. 49. Come with me. 50. Wait a minute. 51. Let's go. 52. Hurry up. 53. Sit down. 54. Stand up. 55. Open the door. 56. Close the door. 57. Turn on the light. 58. Turn off the light. 59. Follow me. 60. Listen carefully. If you want to learn English in just 30 days, follow our complete challenge on English Avenue 2.0. New lessons are uploaded regularly. Practice every day. Stay consistent. And keep speaking English. Letter D. Word do. Pronunciation do. Examples. 1. Do your homework. 2. Do your best. 3. Do it now. 4. Do you know? 5. Do you understand? 6. Do you agree? 7. Do you remember? 8. Do you like it? 9. Do you work here? 10. Do you need help? Vocabulary focus. Word daily. Examples. Practice daily. Read daily. Speak daily. Sentences 61 to 80. 61. What are you doing? 62. I'm working. 63. I'm studying. 64. I'm reading. 65. I'm writing. 66. I'm eating. 67. I'm drinking water. 68. I'm watching TV. 69. I'm listening to music. 70. I'm learning English. 71. Where are you going? 72. I'm going home. 73. I'm going to school. 74. I'm going to work. 75. I'm going outside. 76. I need help. 77. I need money. 78. I need time. 79. I need a break. 80. I need your advice. Mini Lesson 3. Important tip. Don't translate every sentence. Think directly in English. For example, don't think, then translate. Instead, think, I am drinking water. This habit will improve your fluency. Letter E. Word, easy. Pronunciation, easy. Examples. 1. English is easy. 2. This lesson is easy. 3. The test was easy. 4. It's easy to learn. 5. It's easy to understand. 6. Practice makes it easy. 7. Reading is easy. 8. Speaking becomes easy. 9. Learning is easy. 10. Everything gets easier. Sentences 81 to 100. 81. How much is it? 82. It's expensive. 83. It's cheap. 84. I want this. 85. I don't want that. 86. I'll take it. 87. That's enough. 88. That's too much. 89. I love this. 90. I hate waiting. 91. What's the time? 92. It's 7 o'clock. 93. I'm late. 94. I'm early. 95. Call me later. 96. Send me a message. 97. Check your phone. 98. See you tomorrow. 99. Have a great weekend. 100. Keep practicing English. Amazing job! You have learned 100 common English sentences complete. Remember, practice beats talent. Consistency beats motivation. And daily speaking beats endless studying. In part 2, we will learn 100 more powerful daily sentences, more vocabulary lessons, more alphabet-based learning, conversation practice, confidence-building exercises. If you like the video, then subscribe the channel and like the video, and we will cover the rest of the alphabets in the upcoming video. So press the bell icon and join our channel, and within 30 days, you will be taught how to speak English well. Thank you for watching, and comment for next part 2.